Here, discuss very important topic. Your website will be not secured. Your website will be not secured. That is called your website will be not HTTPS. How to fix for HTTPS on your websites? Here, Google new rule is called every website is required for HTTPS. So here, my website will be called not secure. My website will be called not secure. That is called, we can give for secured file. That is called log symbol. Here, first of all, go to your cPanel. In this cPanel, we option call is here security. The security option call is let's encrypt SSL file. Just click this file. The file we can move to the option call is here. Where in this file, click for issue for SSL certificate. The SSL, just what option call is HTTP-01. Click for issue. Once issue this file, just move on to this. Already they can move for HTTPS here. Just they're going to wait here. Now click done. Go back. After that, we can write this kind of code. Redirect engine for on. This code will be mandatory. Click for copy this file. Go to cPanel. You click for file manager. The code we can upload for the in a file manager public underscore HTML. The file name is called .htaccess file. Just click for edit. Edit. In this one, just select your file. Click for save change. Now come to your site. Click for refresh. My website will be called what? HTTPS. My website will be called secure. Any website will be same procedure. First, you can activate for your cPanel with the secure file. Click for encrypt file. After that, upload this code on your .htaccess file. The code will be not uploaded. The file will be not secured. This mandatory field for the all website. Any website will be secure or not. The symbol of is the log symbol. See here, I'm open for any website. It's showing what is showing for log symbol. Why? Because Google new algorithm purpose. Every website required for the security option will be mandatory. This is called SSL certification. Nothing but HTTPS.